What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a cabin air filter today on my ST. Just got the AC fixed, so wanna make it smell good in there. It's the one I bought on eBay, like $5. Yeah, dealer wants like $70 for this, I heard. So it's only gonna cost $5. You're gonna need this toric thing. Cover back on. It goes just under here. Just like that. And then there's these clips here. Just put them on so it tightens them. I lost the other one, but it's holding pretty good. So yeah, and that's how you change your cabin air filter. The ST and RS and all the other focuses, I'm sure. I cleaned that up. And now got fresh air. Hope that helps, guys.